How to make money fast as a student 2022. Being a student is often a very important phase in a person's life. However, studying is a full-time occupation, and so students who are looking to earn a bit of money start searching for part-time jobs that don't affect their studies. Other concerns for students are how to earn money online without making a large investment, or finding jobs that require minimal experience. And here's the good news. There are actually a number of online part-time jobs for students, where they can earn money at home. 1. Online paid surveys. A popular way for people to make money online is to fill out online surveys in their spare time. Research companies are always recruiting new members worldwide to answer surveys and test new products. For a few minutes of form filling, you can quickly make a couple of quid, which is paid as cash or rewards. You can bag up to £3, $5, for some surveys. A few good ones to try are branded surveys, Swagbucks, Taluna, Pinecone, Life Points, OnePoll, I Say, Opinion Outpost, YouGov, PriceRebel, MarketAgent, Inbox Pounds, Valued Opinions, The Opinion Panel, Mingle, Opinion Bureau, Maru Voice, Panel Base, YLive, Survey Junkie.
2. Take up freelancing. If you are someone who is good at writing, programming, editing, photography, designing, or any other such skills, you can earn money online as a freelancer. You just need to register yourself as a freelancer on portals like Upwork, Fiverr, or Truelancer. Then you can start marketing your skills to potential clients. What are the requirements? As long as you have a marketable skill, you can register on a freelancing portal, though this may require a small fee. How much can you earn? Your income will be based on the kind of work you offer and how much work you have time to do. Can you continue this job? Yes, based on the kind of work you offer, you can continue to work full-time as a freelancer.
3. Start tutoring online. Students are constantly learning new things, so one easy way to earn money online is to share some of this knowledge. Whether you want to tutor school children or provide courses for adults who want to learn something new, all you need is access to a fast internet connection. You can either sign up with a virtual tutoring platform like Udemy, Skillshare, or Coursera, or simply reach out on social media to friends and relative circles to broadcast your online tutoring classes. How much can you earn? Based on your level of expertise and the subject matter. Note, it depends your currency. Can you continue this job? While tutoring might not be a viable full-time job, you can either continue to do this part-time, or if you show an aptitude for the same, look into teaching jobs in your area of study.
4. Find data entry jobs. Another option for students looking to earn money online without investment is data entry jobs. Since it offers flexibility, this can be a good option for part-time work. All you need to do is register at a trusted website like Freelancer, Data Plus, Axiom Data Entry Services or Guru, and you can start accepting data entry jobs from companies worldwide. However, remember to check their legitimacy before transferring your account details. What are the requirements? You need to have access to a computer, as well as a good working knowledge of Excel and other Microsoft tools. Interested in generating passive income? You need a website. It's the way to make money while you sleep.
6. Review websites and apps. Well, it seems like you're pretty nifty with a web browser. So perhaps it's time to turn pro and browse websites as a paid and fun job. Introducing user testing, a platform that pays everyday people to review all kinds of websites. Each review takes around 20 minutes and bags you $10, £6.50 via PayPal. 7. Become a delivery rider or driver. Own a bicycle, motorbike or car? That's all you need to make extra money by delivering food or people whenever you have some spare time. 8. Affiliate marketing. If you have a social media following or a website, you can start making money immediately by promoting all sorts of companies, products, services and offers online. 9. Buy and sell domain names. A domain name is just a website address, e.g. sabbathastudent.org or mosaic.co.uk, and there are lots of extensions, .com, net, co.uk etc.
10. Create YouTube videos. According to recent stats, we now watch more videos on YouTube than searches on Google. And with the YouTube Partner Program you can profit from making and uploading videos. You will receive a percentage of the advertising revenue per 1,000 views. Depending on how successful you are, virality, watch time, subscriber base and topic, you can make a lot of money. There are plenty of examples every week of YouTubers making it their career.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and